Most people today don't suffer from weakness. They suffer from noise. They've never sat in silence long enough to meet their own mind. They're not broken, they're buried. And the saddest part is they've gotten used to it. You run all day, but never arrive anywhere. Your mind isn't tired. It's buried beneath noise. They call it progress, but it's just faster confusion. A forgotten teacher. In the stillness you start to hear yourself. Peace isn't outside. It waits for you here. Beneath the noise, a light survives. It doesn't shout. It blows. Emotional rise. Your power isn't in doing more. It's in feeling less chaos and more clarity. In endure staled of flight, and parmony and slide of stress, and of groundly fur, under tea, in jaws timed of light, in these flays, and known and termsus,